Hello everyone, welcome to TechPista. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install the WordPress on your local computer. Sometimes people would like to install the WordPress their local computer for development purpose. So in this situation, they have to install the Apache, MariaDB and PHP and Perl. In this package, they must install in their computer. All of this package included one setup as a XAMPP. Go to apachefriends.org website. Then you have to download the XAMPP setup. There is also available the Windows version, Linux version and the OS X version. So I am using the Windows version, so I have to download the Windows version. Once the XAMPP package is downloaded to your computer, you have to open. So you have to install the package. Click next. Then you have to select the default setup. Then you have to click on the next. You can choose the drive what you would like to install the XAMPP setup. Then you have to click on the next. The language also they have provided the English and Dutch. So we have to select the English. Then click on next. So now the XAMPP package has been installing in your computer. So now we have to provide the permissions. So now the XAMPP setup has been completed. So you have to click on the finish. That's it. So now the XAMPP control panel will be open. We have to select the Apache and MySQL. We have to select the private network also and allow this. Whenever you are going to use the local environment, you must start the Apache and MySQL server. Minimize this window. So now you can check it out. The local environment, type the local host. So now you can click on the PHP myadmin. This is MySQL database. They are provided the example database. You can also create the one. You have to click on the new, enter the database name. Then you have to click on the create. Now the new database has been created. So now we have to install the WordPress. So first we have to go to wordpress.org website. Here you have to click on the download. We have to click on the download WordPress latest version. Open that folder. So you have to right click on that and click on the extract. Once the WordPress source extracted, you have to copy this folder, then go to C drive and XAMPP package folder. Then you have to go to htdocs folder. Here you have to paste it. Once the folder has been copied, then you have to rename the folder name. You can check it out. The all WordPress source has been available of this folder. So now we have to go to the browser. Enter the localhost /wp test. Well, now the WordPress setup window will be open. So you have to click on the let's go button. Here you have to enter the database name. So what we already created for the WP local test. So we have to enter the database name. Then you have to enter the database username and password. The username is root and the password is empty. We are not created anything. So the table prefix by default it shows the WP underscore. You can also change anything as you need. Then you have to click on the submit. So if it is any error available on this setup, it will be shows here. If it is not any error, then you have to click on the run the installation. So after installation completed, you have to set the website name. You have to enter the username. The password it will be suggested. You can also change as you need. I'm using only for the admin. This is very weak password, but this is okay because I am using only for the local. But if you are going to online, then you have to use the strong password. Confirm use the weak password. Then we have to enter the email address. So we have to use the email address. Then we have to select the discourage search engine if you would like to disable the search engine visibility. Then you have to click on the install WordPress. Installation has been completed and you have to click on the login. Enter the login. now the WordPress admin panel has been opened. So here you can check it out, the admin features. You can also open the website. You have to go to here and click on the visit site. Now the WordPress website has been opened. In this way you can install the WordPress in your local machine for development purpose. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any question, enter the comment section.